Did anybody got removed? Yes, Ishita was removed from the meeting. Oh my god. I don't know, there is some technical issue today. So today we are going to do introduction to peers. How to introduce a third person. Okay. So this is how we can introduce a third person. It's actually very simple, but it is one of the topics that we have to study in the unit one. Here you go. I'm going to share a window. Yeah. Just let me know once the PPT is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Thank you so much that you replied in a voice because I don't know today the pop-up isn't working. Or maybe I'm not able to read the message. I have to especially go there and click there. Okay. So introducing peers. Now, what do you mean by peers? What is peers? What is a word peer mean? Again, you must be writing in the message, which I'm not able to see. No, nobody wrote the answer. Can anybody tell me what does the word peer mean? You may do Google, do whatever, but tell me.
Friends,
Friends, okay. Anybody else? Any other person?
Colleague.
Name of our age.
Men of?
Our age.
Yes, exactly.
People
Men
of
of
our age.
our, yes,
People of
men
our
of
age.
our age, people of our age. So anybody who is in the equal status as we are, like so, other students would be peers for you, right? The people working with you are colleagues. Okay, so they are also called peers. Your roommate, your classmate, anybody is peer for you, right? So this is how it is. Now we are going to learn the ways in which we can introduce our friends, or we can introduce our uh, classmates, roommates, right, to the other audience. So peer as somebody, so it is an equal person to us. So this is how the first thing we'll say. How would you say name? What are the different ways to say name for yourself and for a third person? Okay, I would like two people to read this. Would anybody like to read this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So yes, we have. What's your name, dear?
Ma'am Astha Thakur.
Astha, and who would like to read with Astha? Astha, you read right side, and someone else, I would like to read the left side. So, Yashvi, Akanksha, she nominated. Akanksha, would you like to read? Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. So, Akanksha and Yashvi.
मैम
Sorry,
मुझसे तो
Astha,
पढ़ना ही नहीं आता।
आपको पढ़ना नहीं आता? Who was that? Okay. So, Astha and Akanksha. So, Astha, you read right side, and Akanksha, you read left side. Okay. So, just read this table once.
Introducing your peers. She is Nikita Patel.
Hmm.
I am Nikita Patel.
Her name is Nikita Patel.
My name is Nikita Patel.
Hello, she is Nikita Patel.
Hello, I am Nikita Patel.
Good morning, she is Nikita Patel.
Good morning. I'm Nikita Patel.
I would like to introduce my colleague. She is Miss Nikita Patel.
I would like to introduce myself. I am Nikita Patel.
हाँ जी आशीष।
Let me introduce my boss. She is Dr. Nikita Patel.
May I introduce myself? I am Nikita Patel.
Good evening. I just wanted to introduce my neighbor. She is Mrs. Nikita Patel.
Good evening. I just wanted to introduce myself. I am Nikita Patel.
Okay, now did you notice anything in this? What do you notice from this? Anything that you notice?
Yes, ma'am. When we introduce ourselves, we are using the first form, and when we are using the other person, we are using the third person form.
Hmm. Very nice. Any other observation? No other observation? What did you get? See, if you notice, there are uh, different sentences, right? There are different sentences which you can frame to introduce yourself and your peer. For example, everybody says I am or my name is. But see, these are I would like to introduce myself or I would like to introduce my colleague. Let me introduce myself or let me introduce my friend, my boss. Just wanted to introduce my friend. Right? Did you notice these sentences? Just write down the sentences, new sentences that you noticed, and you can use it whenever you will be doing an activity. So after this session, we will do an activity where you will have to talk about your friend or a roommate or a classmate, right? So just write this down. So you can just write this much down, right?
Yes,
I
yes, ma'am.
sorry, not this much. Would like to introduce. Okay. So just note
Ma'am,
down this.
I.
Yes, beta. Yes. Somebody was saying something. What was that? Yes. Somebody was saying something. What was that? Nobody? Okay, just write it down and let me know once you complete so that I will move to the next slide. Okay? Oh, it was the fake.
हाँ हाँ ऋषभ, वो तो फेक था। तू क्या अपने बाप का ओरिजिनल है?
Acha, who was this?
Udit Lamba, who is this?
Udit Lamba is there in our class? Is Udit Lamba there in our class?
No, ma'am. We are noticing first time this name.
Okay, let me check his name. And I want to remove him from the class. Just in a minute. Until then, you
Ma'am, he
write
left.
this.
He left.
He left? Okay, he joins again. I mean, he is joining again. And I don't know why he can join because if he doesn't have Marwadi ID, he can't join. It will give me the message, admit. If I don't admit, he will not be able to join. I was really misbehaving. Yes, there is somebody, Udit Lamba. Now left. Is there really an Udit Lamba? Just a minute, let me check. You write this, okay? Just let me know when you complete writing this. Udit Lamba. Okay, there is no student in entire Marwar University named Udit Lamba. Okay, that's all. Did you complete writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Just let me know again when you see Udit Lamba. Okay, when he enters the class, just somebody just send me the message hi. Okay, in the chat box, because the moment I found him, he left. Okay, I will see to it. Okay, now look at this. Just observe for 2 minutes and let me know what you observe. Sir. Okay. Now, what are your observations? Just let me know. Okay, so here you can say these are different words. You see, have come from, has come from, a native of, belong to, hometown is. Okay, these are four different ways apart from I am and I live in. Okay, so write down this four usage, because everybody speaks I am from or I am or I live in, but nobody uses this different ways. Okay, so just write them down. Mm-hmm. Peer is not male, it could be male, female, both better.
लो आज मैं कहता हूँ I love you.
Who was that?
मैम FAQ ID दूसरी ID में से
Okay,
Ma'am, he's changing the username.
okay. How to trace him now? Okay, it's exercise solitaire. Is there any way where I can stop him from entering the class?
Ma'am, someone from class have shared link to him.
Ma'am, he can make a new meeting.
Yeah, but then the somebody from the class who shared the link to him, what is the guarantee that he will not share it again? Okay, I will write the message in the class also. Okay, you may all please exit. I'll share a new link and I'll write the message in the class WhatsApp group. Okay, please exit this class.